Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can roll back your NVIDIA graphics card driver. So there's two methods that we can use to do this. The first thing we need to do is head over to your start menu, search for device manager and head over to the device manager panel. Inside of here we need to come down to display adapters and just select this drop down, and you need to locate your NVIDIA graphics card from inside of here. Once you've located your NVIDIA graphics card, simply right click on it and come into properties. Then you want to head over to the driver tab at the top and you should have a button down here called Rollback driver. Now if this button's available for you, then just go ahead and select this and you'll need to follow the steps on the screen to roll back the driver. If this button's grayed out for you like it is for me, then what we can do instead is come over to update driver and then you can press browse my computer for drivers. At the bottom we need to select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you'll just need to select your previous NVIDIA driver from the list and then go ahead and select next. Once you've done that, you would have now installed the previous version of the NVIDIA driver. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.